We'll guide you through how to color code a text in a docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and connecting it to the internet. Open your preferred web browser and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs. Once the homepage opens, choose an existing document or create a new one. Wait until the document loads completely before continuing so all editing tools are available. Next, locate the text you want to color code in your document. Click and drag your cursor over the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to change. Make sure the correct text is selected before moving on. This step is important because the color change will only apply to the highlighted text. Take a moment to confirm that the selection is exactly what you want to edit. After the text is selected, look at the top formatting toolbar. Find the text color icon, which usually looks like the letter A with a colored line underneath it. Click on this icon to open the text color options. A color palette will appear on the screen, showing several different colors that you can choose from. Review the available options and decide which color best fits your purpose. Click on the color you want to apply. As soon as you select a color, the highlighted text will immediately change to that color. This makes it easy to organize information visually. For example, you can use one color for important notes, another for headings, and a different one for categories or topics. Using multiple colors can make your document easier to read and understand. If you want to use a more specific color, you can also create a custom color using a color code. Simply open the text color menu again, then choose the custom color option. From there, you can type your own color code manually or paste a color code from another website or design source. This allows you to use unique colors that may not appear in the default palette. After entering the code, the new color will automatically apply to your selected text. Google Docs saves your changes automatically while you work. Once everything looks correct, your text has been successfully color-coded.